ZR-axis Actuator is a highly integrated 2D motion model. It is a common electric linear actuator. In the automation industry, it features a dual motor design, with one motor for Z-axis movement and the other for rotational movement. The combination of these two movements allows the motor shaft to move up and down, while also rotating 360 with no blind spots. GOG has developed several different ZR-axis actuators for specific applications in various industries. Let's take a look. First, ZRCS series blade-type ZR-axis precision linear actuator, which can be used for advanced packaging of integrated circuits. It uses a voice coil motor and has an ultra-high Z-axis repeated positioning accuracy of ±2 m and industry-leading force control accuracy of ±0.03 n. The minimum thickness of its body is only 13 mm, making it suitable for high-precision advanced packaging of integrated circuits. Second, ZRES 25 blade-type Smart Linear Actuator, which can be used for image sensor and optical component packaging, 3C product assembly and testing, with a body thickness of just 25 mm and a total weight of only 0.8 kg. Equipped with a 17-hit absolute encoder, repeated positioning accuracy can reach ±5 m. The Z-axis speed reaches 500 mm per second, and the R-axis rotation speed can reach up to 900 s. It supports pulse and bus protocols, flexibly meeting various control requirements. Third is long-standing star product, ZRIN series, which have 28 and 42 motor specifications. It uses a dual closed-loop stepper motor, which can reach a Z-axis travel of 50 mm. Repeated positioning accuracy can be ±0.01 mm. Rotational repeated positioning accuracy can be ±0.03. Maximum thrust is 19 north. It can be used for electronic component mounting, IC chip angle adjustment, mobile phone lens assembly, labeling, multi-head dispensing pipettes, and other applications. What's more, ZRFS series of miniature rotary ZR-axis linear actuator use 30, 42, 60 servo motors. 3 specifications. Z-axis repeated positioning accuracy can be ±5 m. R-axis rotational repeated positioning accuracy can be ±0.005. Maximum thrust is 30 n and can be used for 3C product assembly and testing, electronic product manufacturing, and other applications. So, which one would you like to choose?